Types of computer. A computer is a machine that can be programmed to manipulate symbols. There are a lot of terms used to describe computers. Most of these words imply the size, use, or capability of the computer. कंप्यूटर की कुछ किस्म है यहाँ पर बता रहे और उसके लिए कुछ सिंबल्स है और काम वगैरह और भी बहुत कुछ बता रहे इधर. There are four major types of computers. They are कंप्यूटर की जो बड़ी है चार किस्में हैं, चार बड़ी किस्में हैं. नंबर फर्स्ट द माइक्रो कंप्यूटर्स. नंबर टू the mini computer. Number third the mainframe. Number four the supercomputer. The microcomputer is also known as the personal computer PC. This category is termed micro because of the fundamental component called the CPU created on a single chip. Because of the lower costs in the development and production of the CPU and various components of the microcomputer, it has become a popular general purpose computer. The microcomputer is often used by a single person for single activities. Microcomputers can be grouped into 5 smaller groups: the workstations, desktops, servers, laptops, and notebooks, each referring to the physical usage of the machines and not necessarily the power. Workstations generally refer to machines used for intensive calculations on designs such as architecture and buildings. Desktops generally refer to machines used by business people for word processing, spreadsheets, etc., and are physically placed onto a disk. The laptop and the notebook are portable machines. Number 2, the mini computers. Mini computers are types of faster computers as compared to the microcomputers and have access to more storage space and more input and output devices. The mini computer is used when large groups need to access to data simultaneously. Number 3, the mainframes. Mainframes belong to the category of powerful computers that have more access to storage space and input-output devices. Mainframes also have more powerful processors and are useful and required by large corporations who have large amounts of data to process. Number 4, the supercomputers. Supercomputers are kinds of those computers which are developed for the processing requirements of advanced research projects by engineers, scientists, and by other research fields. The supercomputer is a title generally given to computers which is much more processing power and is more advanced than the fastest mainframes.